Hello guys and welcome to my video. Today we're going to cover the horizontal jump.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
This movement can be divided into 4 phases: the start position, the counter movement, takeoff, flight and landing. For the start position, you should stand upright with your stance about hip width, your feet parallel or slightly turned out, your head neutral, eyes looking straight ahead and your arms at your sides. For the counter movement, you should drive your arms forward and upwards and your weight will shift onto the front of your foot. Your arms then swing down and behind the torso. The weight will shift back to the midfoot. You should keep your back flat as you lean forward so your centre of mass moves in front of your feet. Stay looking straight ahead with slight neck extension. For the takeoff, your centre of mass continues to move forward. There's going to be powerful triple extension starting at the hip and finishing at the ankle, which is known as proximal to distal acceleration pattern, meaning the movement starts towards the middle of the body and finishes at the end. The arms move rapidly forward and upwards. Your trunk extends into the takeoff angle and the triple extension completes as the athlete leaves the floor. During the early flight phase, the trunk angle will be more upright, and in the later phase, it will lean forward. At peak height, the hips and knees will be flexed. The thighs should finish roughly parallel to the ground. Small mistake I've made there. And prior to landing, the trunk extends. The athlete braces for landing to either absorb landing forces or transition into the next jump. For the landing, your feet should be about hip width apart, the same as the start position. If you're doing a single maximal jump, you should make contact with your heel and then decelerate by keeping your centre of mass behind your feet. If you are performing multiple jumps, you should make ground contact with the forefoot to promote a fast stretch shortening cycle. And then, to transition to another jump, you allow your centre of mass to move in front of your feet. You should keep your lower limbs stiff and bouncy to aid the rebound and aim for a short ground contact time. There will be triple flexion of the hip, knee and ankle, and this may be deep if the jump is maximal. You must control your trunk. There can be slight flexion on ground contact and then it will become more vertical to aid jump height. Guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of my video. I really appreciate it. You all have a good day.